Hello everybody. Uh, Today I'm gonna be telling you how to make a Gtag Parkour game. This is gonna be a series. This is part 1. So yeah. So what you're gonna want to do is search up Unity Hub in your browser, download it. Then you should be here. Once you're here, you're gonna want to go to installs and go to install editor. You're gonna see this. Other versions. Whatever one that says LTS, which is long-term support, do that. Install. Make sure this is all clicked. But I think I already have it installed. So what we're gonna do, just install it and make sure. What I just said, make sure this is checked. Android build support. If it is not, and you accidentally didn't check it, what you can do, you just when it's done with it, go to the gear, add modules, and then Android build support. Good. You're gonna want to go to projects, add project. Make sure it's on the 2022 thing. Wait. Oh, I was using Unity 6. You're gonna want to go to 2022, or also if you wanted to, you could use Unity 6. I'm a fan of Unity 6, so yeah. But I'm gonna just use Unity 6 for this project. So if you're using Unity 6, you're gonna want to go to this one, or if you're using the 2022 one, which I've used for a very long time, you can pick the 2022 one. But for this tutorial, I'll be using Unity 6. So what you're gonna want to do, you wanna if it says download, please download it. Right here, you're gonna want to name your project. Right here, name it whatever your game is gonna be. I'm just gonna name it Gtag tutorial game. And you can press create project. After it's done creating the project, you should be here. You actually want to use Unity 6 because if you're using Unity 2022, there's gonna be some stuff changed. So yeah, we're gonna get right with the main setup and stuff. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to go on main camera and just delete it. Don't delete global volume, just keep it for now. But what you want to do, you're gonna want to go to global volume. I don't know how to say it, but you just want to disable it. Just disable it. Keep bloom on. Keep it on neutral. So what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna go to edit, project settings. Once you're at project settings, XR plugin management, install XR plugin management. It would take a while, but no worries, it does not take that long. It should just be done right here, right now. So I'm not even going to edit this part because it should take like 2 seconds for it to do. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to this thingy and click on Open XR for this. There's gonna be a little pop-up in about right now, so let's just wait. Oh, I guess you don't need to restart your computer. I never noticed that in Unity 6, but okay. I guess they fixed it. So what you're gonna want to do, go to this, press this, like the caution sign, and you want to press edit. You'll be here. you're going to set to render mode, to multipass, and set Valve Index and MetaQuest Touch controller profiles, both of those. Android multipass, and set it to Oculus Touch. And then you're going to go back to XR plugin management and instead press on Oculus in the Android settings. I recommend joining the Discord in the description because I think in part 2 you will need to join the Discord for a Unity package to use. So yeah. Oculus, I'm going to set it to MetaQuest 3. If you want MetaQuest Pro people to play, you can select it, but I'm just not going to do it. Low overhead mode enabled. Multipass. I never noticed that. I'm a little new to Unity 6, so there might be some stuff I'm not familiar with. But what you're going to want to do, go to Window, Package Manager. Whoa. Wait, where is it? Okay, I think, yeah, you're going to want to click on Unity Registry. And then you're going to want to, like, scroll all the way down. I think you're going to see XR Interaction Toolkit right at the bottom. Or you could just search up XR Interaction. I must have spelled it wrong, but you'll see this. Please install it. So, yeah. Let's just wait for it. Alright, once you have it installed, you're going to want to make sure you go to version history, see other versions. Oh wait, no, they got rid of it? Oh, that's too bad. Make sure you have 3.6 because, yeah. Because, I used to use like 2.5 point something. That was like my favorite one, but you're going to see all of these. Import starter assets. Just press import and just watch it do the work. Alright. Let's just wait. Alright, once it's imported, if that pops up, just exit out. You can X out Package Manager. You can go into Starter Assets, Presets, and then for each of these, just add, and just so on. Just add every single one. Once you have done that, you're going to want to go to Edit, Project Settings, Preset Manager. You're going to see Controller Input Action Manager. You're going to set that to right. And then for the other one, set it to left. And that's all for the settings. And now we're going to import the actual Gtag movement. You're going to want to go into the description. You're going to want to go to Code. And then download zip. And then go to your files. And right click on the zip file and just press extract to all. Or, wait, don't do that. You're going to want to click on Gorilla Locomotion. Click on Gorilla. It's fine if you installed the zip file, but just Gorilla Locomotion.unity package. Download raw file, and then it should be installed. After you have downloaded it, what you're going to want to do, right click, import package, and then do the Unity package of the Gorilla Locomotion you have downloaded. Once you have done that, want to press all import. I already have it imported. And then you're going to want to click on yes for these files that may be found later or whatever. If it doesn't say that, then it's fine. Actually, I don't want it to say that, but there's really no problem in it. So I'm going to teach you the Unity movement. So you notice if you use WASD, it might work. It doesn't work. But if you use the arrows, it will work. So to move with WASD, you're going to want to hold right click on your mouse. Wait. So hold right click. You can move with your mouse around. You can do this. Yeah. So first we're going to make the map. In the next episode we're going to be getting rid of the map. I would just make a map for now. So you're going to click on the plus, 3D object, plane, and you should have a nice plane right here. So once you have a plane right here, what you're going to want to do, make sure it has a box collider on it. And so we're going to be texturing this. So what we're going to do, we're going to right click in the assets, create, let me look for it. You're going to want to go to rendering, material. Name it red because it's going to be red. You can change the color from here with this color slider. And for it to be more realistic looking, you're going to want to go into the material, turn off receive shadows, smoothness all the way down. Then these two, turn them off. And then you can put it on. If it looks kind of bright, you can put on specular highlights. But I'm going to actually name this blue. So I'm just going to make it blue. Something like that. What you're going to want to do, go to plus, 3D object, cube. And then you can drag it up. So we're just going to make a basic parkour map. Well, these shadows. Alright. Oh, also to scale stuff, you can do it like this. But personally, I like to do it like this. Like clicking this. If you know Blender, you might be familiar with the stuff that will happen in the series. Like if you know what a rigid body is, you wouldn't encounter that in Unity. But I'm just making a little parkour map. Alright, once your parkour map is done, it doesn't have to be really detailed. For the final part, importing the actual gorilla movement, resources, gorilla prefabs, and then you're going to see gorilla rig. Just drag that in. You can position it. So this is the actual player. So you'll see stuff. This is the left hand controller. This is the right hand controller. And if you start pressing play, what will happen is that you'll see that you'll be like able to move in VR, kind of. So you can like move. So this is the. So you can shorten it, but don't do that. So you can use like gorilla movement. It could be a little laggy sometimes because you could be on your PC. Like it's not lagging with mine. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Bye.